What is going on, chill investors? All right, guys. I wanted to talk to you guys about getting your chart set up. Okay. So let's kind of hop into it. Okay. You guys got the indicator. I appreciate your support. Let's kind of dive into this. So, what you're going to want to do, okay, is you need a TradingView account. Okay. And this can be a free TradingView account. It does not need to be a paid TradingView account. But what you're going to do is you're going to go to tradingview.com. Up here in the corner, there's going to be something about logging in. Go ahead and log in. Whether or not you use your Gmail account, I don't know, Facebook account, whatever they offer you, or just your email, go ahead and create an account. Okay. Do the free version. Don't need to do the paid version. Okay. Now, you're going to be told to create a username. Okay. You need that username for claiming the indicators. So for me, it's chill_investing. So that's my username. Okay. Once you have that username, make sure you write that down. Make sure you save your login, everything like that. Okay. Now, when you go to our WAP, okay, when you are inside of the WAP that you guys signed up for, okay, there is TradingView indicators right here. Okay. So what you're going to do is when you are on your little home screen here, okay, you're going to see chill investing right here, like your little join section. Okay. So you got chill investing. When you click that, you're going to see your indicators. Okay. You are going to plug in your username, hit this little probably update button, okay, and then hit claim indicators. All these indicators will go into your account, okay. Might take a second, so don't be like, okay, and then go back and then say, where the heck are they? Give it a second, okay. So once you claim those, they will go to your account, okay. To get started, all you're going to do is type in any sort of stock. Doesn't matter the stock, any stock. It could be HIMS, it could be Oscar, it could be SoFi, it can be NVIDIA, it can be whatever you want. Okay, type in a stock and then go to launch. Okay, boom. Now, if your screen is white, that is okay. I just have it on dark mode. Okay, so you can change it right here. Boom. Dark theme, light theme. Now, I think our indicator works best on dark theme based on the colors we use, so I would recommend using dark theme. Okay, so make sure that is activated. Now, next part you're going to want to do is you're going to see this little volume here. Okay, hover over it and remove it. Boom, done. Okay, next, what you're going to want to do is go to your settings. Your settings are going to be right here in the top corner. So go ahead and hit that. Okay, lied, don't hit that yet. All right. Next thing we're going to do before you get to the settings is you're going to see your little candles right here, okay? What you're going to want to do is go click on that, okay? You're going to want to star candles, and then you're going to want to star Heikinashi. Heikinashi are the candles we are going to use, okay? So go ahead and star that one, okay? And then once you start it, then click it. It'll change your candles to being smooth where there's no gaps or anything, okay? That's what we want. So go ahead and use the Heikinashi. Next, okay, click on this like weekly or daily, whatever it might be, a W, a D, a 1 hour, something. Okay, go ahead and click on that. What you're going to want to do is star the 1 day, star the 1 week, star the 1 month. You can do the 2 hour as well. Okay, and then anything else that you like to use time frame, but those are the main ones that we use. Okay, so there you are. Okay, those are all you need. Go ahead and just be on the daily while we set this up. All right, now what we can do is go to our settings. Okay, once you have that all dialed in, you're going to go to your settings. Okay, real price on price scale instead of the Heikinashi price. You want to click this box. Okay, next, what you want to do is unclick borders. We don't need the border colors. Okay, unclick it. Okay, next we want to change the 2 colors right here and the 2 colors right here to gray. I prefer this like light gray. I think it's the third one. It's one of these ones, and it doesn't matter which one. Just needs to be a slightly gray color. So I'm just going to go third one in. If it's too light, then I will change it to the next darker shade of gray. But for now, we'll leave it like this. Okay. And the gray is going to resemble in our indicator as like a neutral zone. Okay. So just do the light gray. Okay. None of this matters, doesn't matter on that one. Scale lines, this is all visual stuff for you if you want to. You don't, and nothing needs to change. Okay. Canvas, dark gray all through is perfectly fine on dark mode. Now, if you don't want to see this like buy sell buttons, you can go ahead and hide that. I do, because I don't trade using TradingView. All I do is use it for charting. Okay. I didn't mean to click that. Okay. I'm just trying to get it off the screen. There it is. All right. So there you go. You have set up your initial chart. Okay. Now I'm going to go to a different display because this is like a free one, so I can just show you what it's like refreshed. Okay, so give me 1 sec. We're gonna hop over. Boom, boom, daily time frame. Okay, so, and we were on hymns before, so let me just go to the hymns one. Okay, now what you are going to do once you have done your chart set up like this, go ahead and hit the save button, so that way it just saves all those settings you just changed. Okay. Now, if you are on the desktop version like you were here, okay, I want to make sure now that you've saved this, okay, refresh your screen, okay? Hit the little refresh button, whatever it may be, because those indicators that you sent over need your whole computer to refresh in order to like put them in there. So it's been enough time. Go ahead and refresh. Make sure you saved, then go ahead and refresh, okay? So now that you've done that, okay, inside of your screen here, you're going to have this indicators tab at the very top, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to click on that, okay? Now, I'm going to have a lot more because I'm doing a lot of things, not just these, but just know that when you go to your invite only, you should see your set of indicators that were invited or sent to you that you claimed. Okay. For the free version, the two versions you're going to want to use if you have a free TradingView version is the Chill Master Elite. Okay. So you're going to go ahead and make sure you star it because that's going to be one of your favorites. So use that. So star it, then click on it. Okay. Boom. Done. Added. Okay. Now the other one you're going to want is Momentum Elite. Okay. Momentum Elite. Okay. It's going to be just like this right here. You'll put a star next to it. It'll be in your invite only. Okay. So if you go on there, Master Elite, and there's your Momentums. Where's Momentum Elite? Maybe I need to do it again. But you will have it. It's on there. I know it is. Sorry. But it'll look like this. Chill Momentum Elite with an exclamation point. And I can show you on the WAP, it should be labeled that way as well. Okay. So when I go here, Chill Master Elite, all right, that one. And then you want your Chill Momentum Elite. Those two. Okay, those are the main two you're going to use, especially if you only have the free version. Okay, now later in videos you can go through each one and all the settings and everything, but that is setting up your chart. Now if you want to use any other indicators and you've upgraded to a paid version of TradingView, then you can go ahead and do that, and we have tons of them. We have volume indicators. Well, I can just show you, right? This is your two that you use for the free version. Then you have this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, there's a lot of them. I'm always creating more. You're always going to have access to them. So, but if you don't want to pay for TradingView, which I don't recommend if you're not needing it and trying to like really get into day trading and all the little things, and you're just trying to, long-term investing, all you need are the two. Okay, so no need for it. And that's how you set up your chart. Okay, nothing more than that. That's all we did. Now everything's set up. So I will see you guys in the next videos on how to use everything, but that is how you set up your chart with TradingView and so forth. All right. Any questions come up, please feel free to reach out to me via Discord or via support chat on the WAP, and I'll be happy to help. All right, guys. I appreciate you. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.